The Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, opening in 1988 as the Grand Floridian Beach Resort, hosts 867 rooms, a private marina, and a wedding pavilion. But getting down to our culinary adventure, today we are recreating a dish from Victoria & Albert's. This restaurant is one of 3 in Florida to receive the AAA 5 Diamond Award, and they have won every year since 2000. Victoria & Albert's has ranked number 2 for fine dining in the United States as well, so you know that when we try to recreate a recipe from this restaurant, it probably isn't going to be as good as executive chef for over 20 years, Scott Hunnell. Either way, today we are going to try to recreate their creme brulee. Let's get to it.
When you can dream and you can't start a dream.
Welcome to Remy's Apprentice, where we believe anyone can cook. For over 20 years, I've been dining at the Walt Disney World Resort and bringing the flavors of magic back to my own kitchen. Let me share some of these recipes with you. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. I hope you enjoyed learning a little history on the Grand Floridian Resort and Victoria & Albert's. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video, and remember you can get early access to all of my videos by becoming a patron at patreon.com or clicking the link in the description below. So let's get it started right with 2 cups heavy cream, half a cup of milk, 1 vanilla bean, 6 large egg yolks, 1 cup of sugar. All ingredients for an amazing sugar coma. While your oven is preheating at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, slice your vanilla bean in half and scrape out the insides with a sharp knife. In a sauce pot, bring heavy cream, milk, sugar, vanilla beans, and seeds to a boil. Waiting for your cream mixture to come to a boil, let's go ahead and separate those yolks from the egg whites. This can be done with a water bottle. You push the air out, creating a suction to suck the egg yolk into the bottle and separating it from the egg white. When your cream mixture comes to a boil, separate a half a cup, adding to your egg yolks. Mix thoroughly until you get a nice creamy custard. Now there are several ways of doing this. A lot of people use a smaller bowl, but I have a family, so I used a 6x6 dish to add my custard to before throwing in the oven. Also, another rule of thumb, if you want to have a smooth surface, make sure that you skim off all foam before throwing in the oven. We're going to be giving this creme brulee a bath, which means you place your baking dish in a baking pan and fill the baking pan halfway up the side of the baking dish with water. After your baking pan is filled, place into an oven for 55 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. After removing from the oven, let rest for 1 hour at room temperature before adding to refrigerator for 3 hours. When 3 hours is complete, sprinkle 1/4 cup of granulated sugar on top before torching and bringing to a glossy shell. And there you go guys, there is the creme brulee from Victoria & Albert's Grand Floridian. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next episode.